Welcome to Bailey's Den, where culinary magic awaits. Today, our kitchen is bustling with excitement as we craft delectable dumplings to tantalise your taste buds. Chicken thighs, julienne, mushrooms, julienne equal quantity to chicken. Green onions, finely chopped, chicken powder, white pepper, black pepper, saltone. In a mixing bowl, combine the julienne, chicken thighs and mushrooms. Add the chopped green onions, Season the mixture with chicken powder, white pepper, black pepper, and salt to taste. Mix well. 4 prepare dumpling wrappers, either homemade or store-bought. 5. Place a small amount of the filling into the centre of each wrapper. 6. Moisten the edges of the wrapper with water. Fold over to encase the filling and press to seal. 7. Boil or steam the dumplings until they are cooked through. This should take about 6-8 minutes for boiling or 15-20 minutes for steaming. Dark sauce. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons oil, 2 teaspoons garlic, minced, 1 cup water, 4 teaspoons vinegar, 6 teaspoons sugar, a half teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce,
corn flour mixed with water to thicken.